All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 30,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system. You got your backup camera, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim or a steel wheel. Your tire, there it is. Over 730 seconds. There's a couple of chips here and a dent here next to it, about 2 to 3 inches. This quarter looks pretty good. Do have some, not a lot, but we do have a couple of dents. Some from the inside out, some from the outside in. But there's not too many, and it really doesn't look too bad. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. We jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Check out instrument cluster, stuff like that. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. Get your AM/FM stereo system. Get your AC controls right down below. Get your backup camera. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have a airbag light on and your tire pressure light on, and your mileage of 30,833. I'll put some gas in this bad boy. Will be good as Ray. Good as Ray. Coming around. Oh, and I did show that. Rear bumper looks good. These doors look pretty good. All right. They don't swing all the way out like the 250, because of course this is a shorter body. All right, and this is of course what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. This looks really good. Look how nice and shiny it is in here. You have wheel well moldings, look good. This is what one of your doors looks like. Pretty nice. Doesn't seem to have a cracking down here, about 3 to 4 inches. And this door looks pretty good. Get my ladder. All right, let's see what we got here. This is of course a nice shot of your roof, and as you can see, I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here. Looks good. All right. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a little dent there. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel and your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. This door, sliding door, looks pretty good. I just saw a dent there. Right here, about 3 to 4 inches. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Looks good inside. Heavy scratch here, about 3 to 4 inches. The rest of the door, got another little dinging here. Here's your front passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel and your tire thread. It's over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 short wheelbase mid-roof with 30,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.